sa Bicol. Ano ba yun? Bicol province. Wait. Bicol. Na ano, maulan. Ay, maulan. Thank you sa thumbs up. Salamat. Thank you po. Good evening. Ano dito sa Bicol? Malamig. Malamig pag ganitong oras. Huwag kang matakot mag-isa. For the first time. Thank you sa nanonood. Thank you for watching. Thank you sa thumbs up. Huwag kang mag-isa. Dito lang kami kikinig. Sama kong Cause Nanto. Nakaantok na. Thank you sa 3 million. Salamat sa nanonood. Thank you so much. Kumusta? How are you there? Saan kayo galing? Ay, nakakano. Thank you sa 10 million. Thank you po sa 10. Kumusta kayo? Sa thumbs up, can you please give thumbs up? Salamat. Thank you po. Thank you guys. Baka naman, paiwan ng bakas. Thank you po. Silent viewer. Comment kayo guys. Ano mas? Thank you sa 12. Dumadami. Kumusta kayo? Dumadami guys, dumadami. More viewers pa. Salamat sa thumbs up. Salamat. Thank you. Thank you so much. 14. Oh my God. Thank you po. Sana ma-reach ko na yung goal, no? Sana ma-reach ko na yung goal. Please. Thank you sa nanonood. Tsaga-tsaga lang. Tsaga-tsaga lang. Thank you po sa 14. Salamat. Thank you so much. Ano? Ang hirap pag may pag may goal. Puyat is life. Salamat po. Thank you. Salamat sa thumbs up, guys. Can you please give thumbs up? Salamat. Thank you. Huwag kang matakot mag-isa. Thank you po. Kumusta kayo? Salamat sa 10. Huwag kang matakot mag-isa. Ito lang ako. Thank you sa thumbs up. Salamat po. Salamat sa nag-thumbs up. Salamat guys. Thank you guys. For the first time, I am looking in your eyes. For the first... Aris Ramos, good eve. Taga saan ka? Taga Bicol po. Bicol, Philippines. Char. Bicolana. For the first time, I am looking in your eyes. For the first time, I see. Thank you sa thumbs up, guys. Salamat sa nagta-thumbs up. Salamat po. Thank you po. Thank you. Salamat. Oh my God. 5 thumbs up. Thank you, guys. Wala, nakaka-overwhelm sa nagta-thumbs up. Thank you po. Ikaw po, taga saan ka po, Aris Ramos? Taga saan po sila? Huwag kang matakot mag-isa. Till I met you, I never know nervous. Till I met you, this feeling. Thank you sa thumbs up, guys. Oh my God! Salamat sa thumbs up, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you. I'm so in love with you. The days of the kisses, your lips on my lips, and they sit in my heart in the night of love. Thank you. Salamat sa nagta-thumbs up. Thank you guys sa nagta-thumbs up. Thank you so much. I'm so in love with you. The days, all the kisses, your lips on my lips, and then I'm so in love with you. Thanks sa nag-thumbs up, guys. Thank you so much sa silent viewers. Thank you so much sa nanonood. Mga silent viewers, thank you. Comment man pag may time. Taga saan po sila? Okay. Until kisses and lips Nakaantok na. Kiara Tom. Hi, Kiara Tom. Hi po. Taga saan po si Kiara? Where are you from, Kiara? The taste that kisses your lips and my lips. Thank you. The taste that kisses your lips. So, where are you from the Philippines? From Bicol po. Bicol. Bicolana. It's night and my mom is not here to boss me around. Okay. Where are you from, Kiara? Here in Philippines. How old are you? Maybe you're young. Philippines and not Manila. Okay. 7, too young. Take care there, Kiara. Sleep. You need to go into sleep already at 10, almost 11 p.m. Ay, nakantok. Wait lang. Huwag kang matakot mag-isa. For the first time, I am looking in my eyes. For the first time, I see who you are. Kailan kaya kung hindi ako ang narapat sa'yo? I need to go to sleep now. I feel so sleepy. Haggard. Haggard na. Wait, you're famous? I'm not famous. I'm not famous, Kiara. Why you say I'm famous? I'm just ordinary woman. Where? But you have 1K subs means to stream. Yeah, but not famous. Maybe more view, more followers, subscribers. Not still famous. That's I don't know. Famous is like Ivana, like yeah. But me not yet. Wait, someone is here with us. Okay. Takot na isa. Hmm, si Kiara. Mabakal ka? Pabahala mang kape. Oo. Kape ko blanca. Nagbaybawang ang puti pa naman ito. Matakot na isa. So I'm gonna check who is downstairs our house, okay? Oh, you have a visitor? Be careful, take care, Kara Tom. Takot mag-isa. For the first time, I'm looking in your eyes. No, I think it's mom. It's my mom. Yeah, but you need to be double check. Okay, you need to double check. You have with someone there. I'm gonna check. Be careful, take care there. Well, I'm just scared to see. Why just your house is big? Maybe. Where's your daddy? You have a brother? You with someone? Siblings? Brothers, sisters? Older brother, older sister. I'm just little. My older brother is in college. Oh, okay. He's outside. Oh, sorry. Kay GC ka? Because... Alas 11 pa lang. Oh, alas 11. Exactly. Baka, kasi baka yung today's is nakakapagod. I hear police cars. Talaga. Where are you now? Where in Parañaque? When you're in Parañaque, where are you in Manila? Takot mag-isa. Where are you in Manila? Carton. Be careful. Be careful. Kapag ako ay nagmahal, isang pula ng iba pa. At the yellow gate, go in there. Then you will see my grandpa. Say to him, who is Kyrie? And that's my name, okay? You're so cute, Kiara. You're so sweet. I'm a boy. Kyrie. You're a boy. Why Kiara? Ah, your mom named Kiara. Maybe. Kasi, because I can change it. Ah, okay. You are 7 years old, but you talk to me well. Most English. You're not here. You're my for at age 7 years old. You're smart. When you ask my grandpa where I am, he said at the White House with a door that's Kiara. Kiara, when you ask my grandpa where I am, he said at the White House with a door that's wood. Kiara. Wait, you know that place? I don't know what this place. I don't know. What's place? I don't know what. Where is this place? White House. White House? Maybe. I'm so sleepy. Akala mo ay di kita ibig. Akala mo ay di kita kailangan. When you open the door, yeah, we'll see my mom and dad watching TV. Wow. Sana all. Kapag ako ay nagmahal, lahat ng itaga gawa akong nais. Ang lahat ng ito para sa'yo. And go upstairs, then knock on the door that has black and white, and you'll answer it. Wait, wait. That's the questions pala. Mas maganda ba? And go, not back Not back black, I meant. Not black, back black, I meant. Ah, okay. When and go upstairs, then knock on the door that has black and white that has black and white and eel. I don't know what it is. Has black and white. And go upstairs to knock on. And I used to be a moderator of a stream. You use? And I used to be a moderator of a stream. Hi, Kiara. You will not be because you're still 7 years old. Need the legal age. The legal age is 18 and above for the woman, and for the man is 21 above. You're still young. You're too young. You're a kid. By the way, I'm a coin collector. Coin collector? Where? Yeah. Where are you coin collector? You're not 7 years old. Ah, wait. Old coins. Um, ah, at Manila. At Manila, the coin value it's 1,000, means to buy a new phone for my mom's birthday on May 3. At Manila, the coins value it's 1,000. No, you can't buy a phone for worth 1K. You can't buy. You can buy K-pod. K-pod pod. Well, I was selling the coin. You were selling the coin. Nandok na ako.